Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can transport all the material you need for a hygiene inspection. I have a lot of material, but only two hands. That's why I have this hygiene inspection case to help me with that. And now I'm going to show you how. Everything I need for my hygiene inspection has space in here. Our heart, the microbial air sampler, either the MAS 100 NT 6022 or the MAS 100 Eco, but also the quick change adapter. By the way, the adapter plate can remain comfortably fixed to the air sampler. This is where I place the tube adapter. The corresponding tube is placed around the accessories. Here I have my three different types of culture media. I can either transport them in their original packaging or put them in the Petri dish dispenser. Three colors stand for three types of culture media. For everything else I need for my measurements, I have this large collection box in here. Like gloves, parafilm, disinfectant spray, or other accessories. And where do I find space for my documentary material? Right, in the lid. This hygiene inspection case is so robust that all my material is perfectly safe for the transport. To protect my bag, I just pull out the long handle, and now I'm ready for the air measurement. It's that simple. But if you have any further questions, please visit our homepage or write a comment below the video. Thank you, and see you next time.